Have you ever wondered how generations continue on Earth? How do dogs give birth to puppies? Or, more personally, how did you come into existence? The answer lies in the process of reproduction. In this video, we will focus on sexual reproduction, the method humans use to create new life. But before diving into the details, let's first understand what reproduction is all about. Organisms reproduce to sustain the cycle of life and ensure the transmission of genes accumulated over millennia. Through reproduction, individuals generate offsprings of their own species, making it a crucial process for the continuity of life on Earth. Organisms reproduce through two primary methods: asexual reproduction. This involves only one parent with no formation of gametes. Sexual reproduction. This requires two parents and involves the formation of gametes. Meiosis plays a key role in this process. So, let us study more about sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction in humans. In humans, the testes in males produce sperm, while the ovaries in females produce eggs. During fertilization, the sperm fuses with the egg, forming a zygote, which implants into the uterine wall. The zygote undergoes division, developing into an embryo. Over the course of 9 months, the embryo grows and receives nourishment from the mother through the placenta, eventually resulting in the birth of a new individual. Let us see the key points on reproduction in organisms. Reproduction is the process of creating new individuals of the same species. Organisms reproduce in two main ways: asexual and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction occurs without the fusion of male and female gametes and is seen in organisms like bacteria, amoebas, and hydras. Sexual reproduction involves the fusion of male and female gametes and is common in humans and many higher animals. Asexual reproduction can take forms like fission, budding, vegetative propagation, and fragmentation and does not require specialized reproductive organs. Sexual reproduction involves the reproductive organs of both male and female. Now, let us see the stages of sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction occurs in three main stages, each crucial for the development of a new organism. First is pre-fertilization. This stage includes events that occur before fertilization. Two key processes happen here: Gametogenesis, the formation of gametes, which are sex cells with a haploid set of chromosomes, means 23 in humans. Male gametes are called sperm, while female gametes are known as eggs or ova. These gametes are produced within specialized structures in each organism. Underline: haploid cells contain only one set of chromosomes, that is N, whereas diploid, as the name indicates, contains two sets of chromosomes, means 2N. Haploid cells are formed by the process of meiosis and diploid cells undergo mitosis. Haploid cells have half the number of chromosomes as diploid cells, which have two sets of chromosomes. In humans, each gamete contains 23 chromosomes, which is one set of chromosomes from a chromosome pair in diploid cells. That is 46 number of chromosomes or 23 pairs of chromosomes. In terms of ploidy, haploid cells are represented as N and diploid cells are represented as 2N. In humans, 2N is equal to 46. Now the question is, why are gametes haploid? The gametes are a result of meiosis, hence they have a haploid number of chromosomes. Hence the gametes have a haploid number of chromosomes to maintain a constant number of chromosomes in a species. Gamete transfer. Since the female gamete is immobile, male gametes must be transferred for fertilization to occur. In plants, this is done through pollination, while in unisexual animals, it happens through sexual intercourse. Next stage is fertilization. Fertilization or syngamy is the process where male and female haploid gametes fuse to form a diploid zygote. This can happen either externally, outside the organism's body, or internally, within the organism's body. Next is post-fertilization. After fertilization, the zygote forms and begins to divide through mitosis, developing into an embryo, a process known as embryogenesis. During this stage, cells differentiate and develop specific functions. Depending on the organism, the zygote's development varies. Animals can be either oviparous, where the embryo develops outside the body, as in birds, or viviparous, where it develops inside the body, as in mammals. In plants, let's say angiosperms, the zygote develops within the ovary, which eventually forms the fruit, while the ovules develop into seeds.